How to update Social Maker. To update Social Maker, start by downloading the latest version from the Download Social Maker page on the bizpro.id website. Choose the version that matches your operating system, either Windows or Mac OS, and complete the download. After downloading, locate the Social Maker installation folder on your system. For Mac OS, it is in the Applications folder, while for Windows, it is typically located in the main C drive. Inside the folder, find the Data folder, copy it, and store it in a safe location to back up your existing data. Next, open the installer for the latest version of Social Maker that you downloaded and follow the installation steps. Once the installation is complete, replace the new Data folder in the updated Social Maker directory with the backed up version by pasting and overwriting the existing files. Finally, launch Social Maker. If the data displayed matches your previous records, the update process has been successfully completed.